Welcome back to Unique's Garden, y'all. It's going to be my update for June 20th, 2026 for the watermelon wars. And okay, y'all, as you can see, there's been a lot of growth up here in the watermelon patch. Some of the melons have gotten much larger, which they should have. It's been 2 whole weeks. So there's this one. I believe this was Carolina Cross. It's this size now, palm size. I saw a small one over here. And I'm not sure which one this one is. It kind of has a little bit of an elongated shape, but not really. So I still got to prune back the leaves. So I'll figure out which one it is once I prune back all the leaves. There's one here. This is either, which ones are in here? Congo and Jarash. A lot of nut, y'all. Well, guess not for that one. Oh, now I know this one took, because look at this. Yeah. So that one's getting bigger. That one there. That's those two. That's all it. Okay. Yeah, I really need to get out here and prune. It's not enough time, not enough hours in the day. So in this one, I have a Carolina Cross, a Jarash, no, Jubilee Improved. Where is that sign? I know. It's not here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Jubilee Improved. And what else is in here? Congo. Oh, the Jarash. Okay, so then I have a Jarash 145 in the back. So supposedly this is supposed to be a Carolina Cross, but it don't look Carolina Crossy. It looks too dark to be a Carolina Cross. Sorry, y'all. My camera work is trash. My balance be bad, so my camera work be trash. I'll be trying to hold this thing still. So there's that one on there, and I think I saw one on the back side. These suckers, they decided to go around the back of bags too. As long as I can still walk through, they're okay. Yeah. I don't see any there. Not yet. Let's see. Oh, there's a little guy. Let's see if this one took or not. There's one there. Okay. I need to prune back so bad. I need to prune everything. Like tomorrow, well, yes, today, I'm gonna be I done got this tripod hooked on the water can. These two over here, they decided they're gonna hold hands. Gonna be some interesting seeds of these mix. So over here I have a leaf. Congo. That's just Congo. Let's see. There's Congo there. Jarash there. And I think this is a Carolina Cross. Yeah, Carolina Cross here. And this is the one that I moved to get more sun. Oh, wait. No, you on this side. Oh. That one we just saw, that little one, he's coming from the Jarash. Okay. Cool. Let's see. Oh. One here. Looks kind of Carolina Crossy. I think the Congos grow like elongated. Wow. It is all twisted up in here. Lord. Ooh. I'm gonna have to get out here. Anyway, that's what's on that palette. Now, for my, ooh, the sun's setting. It look real pretty. So on this one over here, I have 3 Carolina Cross in the top tier. And on the bottom tier, on one side, I have the Josh 145. And I know I saw one here coming. So it's not that big yet, but he's trying. There we go. I saw a Carolina Cross back here. The Carolina Crosses. Then thought I saw a Jubilee coming on this side. That's the Jubilee over here. Oh, I saw it. Look how far out this one goes. He's almost to the other side. And this is a 30-foot. Well, I mean, they ain't started at 30, so I don't know. This, oh, I don't know what that one's gonna take. Let's see. Okay. Pretty firm there. This one on there, that's a Jubilee. I saw another Jubilee up here. Oh, well. Oh. There's a Josh on here. That's what it was. There was one on the pallet. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. That's pretty decent size there. I guess that's all. That's all they putting out. But we'll see. We'll keep waiting. I'll keep growing. But this is what we have over here. So yeah, when it be like the super heat of the day, because they're in containers, I go ahead and cover them so they don't dry out so much, because sometimes I come out here and these suckers look sad and I be like, it is only 75 degrees. I done babied them too much. But yeah, so this is what we have this week. Oh, I forgot he ain't a late entry. He got planted at the same time as everybody else. There just was no more room in the big grow bag, so I just left him in a nursery pot, y'all. And this is a Congo. He done climbed up the crop cage and left a deposit. So, I mean, his string holding capabilities is pretty good, but I'm gonna try and help give him some support, some pantyhose or something, because he's doing it over here in his little nursery pot. We'll see how big that one gets. So that's all for the watermelon wars. They have really grown a lot. Now back over here is where I have what I call my delicious watermelons. So these are not in the watermelon war competition. I'm growing them for taste. We have a Yamada cream here. Let's see. So this is about the size, a little bigger than my palm. That's the Yamada cream. And there. Growing along the ground. I got a strawberry watermelon. This one's a nice size too. It's crazy. My biggest watermelons are the ones that ain't in watermelon wars. I also have some cantaloupe over here. We got cantaloupe there. We got another cantaloupe here. The first honeydew started getting larger. Let's see. I think I saw one in here. Or not. Oh yeah. There he is. First little honeydew. Let's clean up some of these leaves. Y'all, it's so bad. It is like all of this in a week, because I swear I just pruned these last week. I think that's probably how I do. I might have saw one that's on the trellis. Either way, don't that look beautiful, y'all? Look at that with the sunset. Now this Japanese carrot squash I got over here, I think it's shishito. I'm not sure. Some kind of pepper that I tossed in there with it. I don't remember what kind. I should have put a tag in. But I got this Japanese curry squash, and this sucker has taken over. I pruned him back 3 times already. Oh no. Ugh. I got stuck. They tried to get me, y'all. Then right there, they tried to get me. That's part of that Japanese curry squash. So he has decided that he's going to trellis all the way up to trellis. I mean, I guess that's what it's for. But look at this one. It's getting nice over here. I think they're supposed to be like a red color. And it looks like it's turning a little red. I don't know if you can see. Getting like orange. It used to be like bright yellow. So hopefully that one will. Look like it's ready. And then the rest of it is just climbing and climbing and climbing and climbing and climbing. And it looks like we might have got another one pollinated there. I hope so. I want more than one because they look delicious. So then back in that grow bag, in the next grow bag, I have more cantaloupe, which they're around here somewhere. Y'all see some cantaloupe? I know I have some growing on this side too. But then there is this watermelon that's supposed to be a Yamada cream. That does not look like a Yamada cream. It doesn't look anything like the other one. I'm gonna chalk it up to open pollination and not that they sent me the wrong seeds, because I paid a pretty penny for these seeds. But that's another one. It looks kind of dark, like a black diamond or something. So I guess at least those are delicious. But that ain't what I wanted. So, let's see if there's any other ones on here. Nope, this one don't look like it took. Nope. Ooh. Oh, here's another one. Don't look like it took. Try to get it. Nope. Okay. Alright, right now it looks like it's just that one on there. It's supposed to be Yamada cream. Don't look like it to me. Then we have this one here. It's another strawberry watermelon. Pretty nice. I love it. Everybody's growing so good. Let's see. Or in here is some more cantaloupe. Oh well. But yeah, this Japanese curry squash, it'd be so dramatic. You can't handle the temps either. That's why I have this shade cloth that I drip across it. So that's this. This is the delicious watermelon side. Yeah, look. Jealous is filling in nicely though. That's that Japanese curry squash. Delicious watermelon side with my elderberry. And then on this side is the watermelon wars. And as you can see, I was fertilizing. So thanks for watching. If you like this type of video and you want to follow along with my Watermelon Wars 2026 journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.